Soham. I'm currently living in Delhi. I'm a junior year student, third year college student. I am pursuing my degree in design, and I had a great exposure in my whole lot in the term course for Digital Vidya and learning digital marketing. We expanded from social media to SEO to SEM to affiliate to email marketing to inbound marketing. We actually dwelled into a lot of new world when it comes to how we can actually market ourselves and market our product. And I guess in this generation where everybody wants entrepreneur, everybody wants it to make it big on digital platforms and digital marketing, I guess talking about it is something very different, and knowing about it something is very different. And so yeah, I am really thankful for Digital Vidya because I got to learn so much of extra skills. I was doing it for my upskilling during the college, because I guess in every field now, digital marketing or digital learning is something that is a key variant which you have to thrive in the current world. And I am truly grateful to all of my faculties and teachers who aligned my courses with what I want to learn and how I want to process this whole lot of 3-4 months that I gave to Digital Vidya, or actually I would say that Digital Vidya gave to me. I am really grateful and thankful for that, and I'm also looking forward to see much more people getting on board with Digital Vidya and learning about this course, because this is something that is necessary at this point in time. And I am thankful for the support which my advisors and which my career counselor I had from the Career Connect in Digital Vidya. Nitesh Gore, one of my key advisors, helped me throughout the process. I am truly thankful for his support as well. So I have got multiple certification. I got HubSpot ka certification. I got the whole platform of Google certificates that I can actually delve and learn things about. So I already have like 3 certificates from Google, 2 certificates from HubSpot, and multiple hours of exposure in terms of how Digital Vidya helped me in getting training and internships, and throughout their Global Connect. Plus, as well as the Digital Vidya certificate itself holds a great, remarkable value at this point of time. So yeah. So I have just completed my course. I have been in talks with 2-3 internships, and I will be joining my internship from next week with one of the companies working in Delhi only, which only Digital Vidya helped me to connect with. And so yeah.